Okay, I'm showing you how I'm cooking today. I'm taking these thin slice sirloin tip steaks that I bought. They're pretty cheap. And I'm chopping them into pieces, kind of like stir fry meat. So that's what I'm doing. And I also have some boneless, skinless chicken breast that I chopped up similar to this. And I'm marinating it in teriyaki marinade. It's a 30-minute marinade. I got that soaking in the ice box now. I'm going to marinate this meat in some steak seasoning. So I'm going to throw all this on the griddle, fry it up, and we're going to put it over top of rice and see what kind of meal we can create here. So just want to show you a little bit of my home cooking and see what you like. Keep watching the rest of this video and let me know what you think. Okay, I got the steak all chopped up here, thin little slices. So what I'm gonna do, I got some steak seasoning here. It's not expensive, just some cheap steak seasoning, some marinade. So I'm going to pour some on the meat. Let it to soak. I'm going to add some, I like to use sea salt. Also like to use some Montreal steak seasoning. And I also like to use some onion, chopped onion. It's like dehydrated chopped onion. So once I get all that in there, I'm going to take the meat and just kind of stir it up. Good. Okay, I like to smash it down into the juice. The meat can soak up some of that. Now what I'll do, I'll stick this in the refrigerator for like about 30 minutes or so. Let it marinate in there, and then I will fire up the griddle and throw it on there with chicken and add some frozen peppers and onions on with it and let you see how that comes out. Okay, I got the griddle heating up here. Got the griddle. We got the marinated meats I made here. There's the marinated chicken. Here is the marinated beef. We're gonna throw this on the griddle here, cook it up. Okay, before I put some chicken on here, first thing you want to do, take a little oil. Put some Blackstone spray on this side. Okay, I got the meats done here. Before I serve it, I have a little mixture of teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of the steak sauce, and some water to thin it out. And before I serve it, I'm just going to juice up the meat. Juice it up a little bit. Even it up. Okay, so I got some parboiled rice, some steamed broccoli, and so that's what it looks like. Got the chicken here, the steak here, on top of parboiled rice. I prefer parboiled rice over white rice or brown rice. It's a personal favorite. So that's what we got. We're gonna go eat it, and let me know what you think of the dish if you try it yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. I'd like to do some more cooking. I do like to cook for my kids, so keep watching, and we're going to enjoy this right now. Thank you for watching.